There are several different shapes that children learn about from a very young age. Shapes are constantly surrounding children in various forms and sizes. A prevalent example of where children can identify shapes are sporting fields and courts.
The first shape we're looking at is a rectangle. The rectangle includes 4 corners. In a rectangle, the angles are all identified as right angles. The opposite sides of this rectangle have parallel sides. Therefore, as you can see, we place arrows on each side to indicate that they are in fact parallel. This regular rectangle can be found in a variety of sporting fields.
For instance, this soccer field is a regular rectangle, also including smaller rectangles within. Similarly, these tennis and netball courts are regular rectangles that consist of smaller rectangles inside.
A rectangle is similar to a square. A square has the same equal sides and each side is parallel to the other side. Similar to the rectangle, a square has right angles too. The next shape we are going to look at is a circle. This shape, in comparison to a square and a rectangle, is very different. For instance, it has a continuous edge which involves no corners. The continuous edge of a circle is measured to 360 degrees. A circle can measure a diameter and a radius.
In sport, circles are present at the centre of both a netball court and a soccer field. A semicircle, however, does not have a circumference of 360 degrees. Instead, a semicircle is half a full circle, therefore meaning that the full arc measures 180 degrees. Unlike a semicircle has a flat edge, which when comparing to a full circle would equal a full circle's diameter. Children may identify 2 semicircles at either end of a netball court, or they may find them on a soccer field. The next shape we are looking at is a sphere. A sphere is a 3-dimensional shape that is the surface of a ball. Similar to the circle, a sphere can be measured by its radius and diameter. Children may identify spheres during sport in the form of a netball or a tennis ball. The shapes covered today were rectangles, squares, circles, semicircles, and spheres. These shapes are very present and common in children's lives, particularly in sporting settings, which assists in children identifying and developing a greater understanding of shapes. See you next time!